What's up, guys? Welcome back to Slide My Life. My dog is driving. She does have something on the side of her face. Wow. Did you? When did you? It was paper. Bad Roxy. It was right around her third. She was eating paper earlier, I guess. I mean, like, she really did read paper. Black and purple? What the fudge? Dang, like, bro, you cannot do that to me. I'm driving with one hand. You saw me up close. I didn't mean to do that. They are growing. No, they are growing actually. I planted when they were chopping down things from right there. Some like pine tree thingies. And I literally put them in the ground. Ground, and they started growing. There's dust everywhere now. Huh? Okay. See my baby bear. I kiss my baby. I took it down. I took it down. Oh. And my KK, I love you. I love my KK. So I'm not gonna say her real name. My KK is all I'm gonna say. So yeah. But I just wanna I don't know what that was. I just wanna let you know I love you, and yeah, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, lets you know when I post a new video. And like this video if you love seeing me ride mule, or if you love my puppy dog. And also comment if you think Rox is cute. And also comment if you like my ring. It actually has my name on it. I got it at the Savannah flea market, I'm pretty sure. I don't know. I'm about to write those things. Like, boo! What do you want? Oh, those are my feet. Those are my feet. Nope, I don't want my feet in the video. I have a Coke. I'm enjoying life right now. Some of the weird voices I just made, but isn't this a pretty one? Like, pretty snap. No, with that word in it. Gucci gang. I don't, what is that? That was just a random box. I have no clue what it was. Just random box. Just random box. Just random box. Yeah. Then our garden, the corn has poison on it because we're having worm problems that is eating our corn. Yeah, so we have poison on it, so I'm not allowed to go in there. Ha! Boo Bear! He is a real horse. Don't believe he's fake. Parque. Recuse me. I just want to show you my baby side. Parque, because me. I just love the way that my baby say. Hey, oh my auto. Hey, oh my auto. Can't see those, but okay, not free. That's my dad's work truck. Tire swing under me. Big tree. Here's ice cream. See it? See it? Makes it weird noises. Oh! Bakers. On Instagram. So yeah. So I'm in 5 minutes long. I will start this in another 5 minutes because I don't want to waste my storage right now. See my earrings? Yeah, I've had these for like 1,000 years. Yeah, I've had these for like 1,000 years now. And sounds like my McKK. Sounds like McKK's friend on the bus that bullied me, which I bullied a 5th grader, bro. And now she hates me. Patty cake, there goes my home. Patty cake, there goes my. I wish I could make you famous on Instagram. Guys, can I say this is satisfying or not? Wait, I have to do this one. The spring Betty times are the best, really. I will actually have one before it gets on the bus because I will. It takes like a while to actually get it done. But yeah, I go pretty fast. My face is, oh, it's gonna be really bumpy right here. No, up ahead it's gonna be still bumpy. I don't know why we have so many bumps. There's another one up here. There, so be ready. There. Oh god. That's the most bumpiest one we have actually. And it's pretty funny though. I do something to myself like, oh. Look guys. Nipra, will you quit coming to my driveway? Huh? Car. La 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 la. But yeah. Turn around already. Oh my god. Crap. My nails are straight. Oh, yes it. No, it's not. Actually, my nails are actually not straight right now. He just nail. It's not bright, and I'm so mad about that. I almost just cried. But you're supposed to see that tree in front of me? Yeah, that's the thing that almost just made me crash. Like, bruh. Dude, no. God dang. I can't keep nothing right. sideways, just like. Y'all can actually see me driving now. Okay, lean back. So, yeah. Gotta catch it a few times. Stay, just a second. That. Yeah. That's the two-wheel drive and the four-wheel drive lever, actually. But, yeah, I can actually show you that my horse is moving. Right here. Is that horse right there? Watch him. Watch him pull his out. See him blink? For a hay? Come on. I don't know why he's not moving. Ow. See? That's a flipping real horse there. We're talking about a real horse now. No, fellas. Going back in your hiding spot, okay? I'm going back to. Oh! I don't really have a hiding spot. Oh, I just got the greatest idea in the world.